Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got a brand new, new radio to show you. It comes from Iron Snow, that company has sent me several radios to review, and they all been good radios with unique specifications, features, whatever. This one is in that category too. This is a typical emergency radio. AM, FM, NOAA weather, flashlight, SOS, and weather alerts. But what's different is I consider this a power pack because the batteries inside this thing deliver 20,000 milliamp hours. And I'm going to test that. I haven't done it yet because it's going to take a while with 20,000. That's really unbelievable. I mean, the most recent one that I can remember was 10,000. This is 20,000. Okay, here's the box with all the features. Comes with, let me get it out of the box. I'm still struggling with how to hook it up. There's the instruction manual. And here is the pieces for the carrying strap, which has other features, and I'll show you in a minute. And then it comes with the USB charging cord to charge that massive battery. So you have to put this together, and the nice people at Iron Snow sent me a video to show me how, which I'm still learning how to do it. So that goes on these handles clips right there. And then on this part of it, it has a compass. It has a whistle. But I couldn't figure what this was until I watched Todderbert's show. And it's a whistle. Okay. And then this comes apart. There we go. And this is a fire starter. So you strike it with this thing, and it creates a spark, and you can start a fire. So it's great for camping. And it's got a nice edge you can use for cutting things. Pretty cool. And I'll have to learn how to put it together. It's analog tuning, AM, FM, weather band, mode select right there. Band select right there. There's the on-off volume, and then there's the tuning dial. Up here, we have a solar panel for charging. Here is the button to turn the light on, or I should say lights, because it has these two lights and a center light, a spotlight. And I'll turn it away from the camera, and you can see, whoa, that baby is bright. That's the two lights, and that's all three of them on. Whoa, that's a lot of light. That's another thing I want to test is how long the battery will hold up with that light on. And I think I'll choose the mode that's probably, maybe, I'm not sure which mode of those three modes. Now, on the back, we have telescopic antenna, which is quite small, but good enough for weather band. Charging crank, so you can crank charge this thing. So you can charge the battery, internal battery, with the USB port, the solar panel, or the crank charge. So this is definitely an emergency radio. It's hefty. It's like 99% batteries. My gosh, it's hefty. And then over here we have the connectors for both input and output, and an earbud jack. Output so that you can charge your cell phone, for instance. And then there's the tuning dial with my shadow reflection in the window. So let's turn it on. We'll select AM, turn it on. There's a battery indicator. 3 bars, so it's at 75% right now. And we don't want to listen to music. So where are we on the band? We're kind of in the middle of the band. So let's go to the bottom of the band. Most likely it'll want to sit like this for AM reception because the stations are that way. But I'll see what it does. Okay, so let's turn it back up and listen. There's the station. Not tuned in quite. Okay, let's see if it's directional. Yeah. So I have to, unfortunately, I have to turn away from the camera for the best reception on AM or medium wave. Okay, here we go. Going up the band. Turn the volume up a little more. Audio is perfect. Boy, it's picking up a lot of stations. Oh my gosh.
I don't know that he ever made it in or finally did make it in. Coaches can make it in, right? Yeah. Man, I'll tell you what, it's hard to differentiate between the three.
Boy, lots on.
Ukraine says Russia has launched an intercontinental ballistic
missile. It's barely turned. I get another station. I don't know if the atmospheric conditions are different, but this is about the best reception I've gotten on a portable radio on an AM band. Wow.
Western airport traffic, Tampa, I-4 westbound between 5. We are backed up now to right around Gun Highway. Also, speaking of that, we are pretty much stopped now on I-4 westbound from Paul Buckman Highway to... Still starts to bounce. The bridge thing again. But,
I'm going fast to stay away from music. Okay, that's top of the band. So that's AM band. Let's go to FM and we'll put up this tiny, this is tiny, that's the only thing negative is that's a tiny telescopic antenna. Now we can face the camera. We're at the top of the band. We'll go down quickly to stay away from music. Well, got plenty of volume. Tuning indicator that we are locked on. Okay. There we go. Oh my gosh, it's picking up so many stations. Music, I have to keep going.
Geared toward YouTube and other
Clear as
whatever
a
medium
bell.
becomes popular when they're older because, you know, things change so much,
That
right?
is nice.
Yeah. I mean, honestly.
Giving them a choice to say no. We're not saying, hey.
First I did some telephone search, then I...
I'm going kind of fast. I'm only halfway through the band. Music.
A nationwide lifetime warranty and 4-year maintenance.
Mamá, su cuenta de banco. Could have got this right. And there's a slit on your windpipe too.
Okay. All right.
I don't know how to say the word.
I was sick as I don't know what, man.
I can't believe it. All these stations.
Lo tienen al garete, hacen que los pelos...
So easy. All you do is boil the gram.
Mitchell was cheating on Pac-Man when he said a number of His Holiness.
Okay, bottom band. Let's go to the weather band. Best case, at my location, I can get 3 weather channels. So we'll see what we get. Going up.
Becoming
There's one.
around 5 knots in the afternoon. Seas 1 foot or less.
Clear as a bell.
Bay and inland waters smooth. Inland waters
2.
moderate chop. Friday night, north winds 10 to 15 knots.
Okay, I got 2.
Inland waters moderate chop.
I can say a maximum I've gotten is 3, and that's using the external antenna. Let's see, does this... Yeah, it swivels. Okay, that's cool. I like antennas that swivel. It doesn't have a kickstand. I almost forgot about something. Here's another light. There's a reading light. Check that out. So you got a reading light, you got these two broad lights, and a spotlight. Wow, this thing is so cool. I held off. I got this about 4 or 6 weeks ago. I held off doing a review, waiting for them to get in stock on Amazon, and they are now in stock on Amazon. Great. And again, this is sold by Iron Snow. It's called the Condor 1 AM FM weatherband radio mammoth power pack. I'm going to test that capability. I mean, that might be the big thing different than any other ones, is all that possible power. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Thank you. Bye-bye.